State the factors influencing the present serviceability index of a flexible pavement. The present serviceability index of a flexible pavement is influenced by several factors, okay, and it affects its ability to provide smooth and functioning driving surface. And some of the factors include: one is slope variance. Slope variance means variation in the longitudinal and transverse profile, okay, and it impact the pavement ride quality, okay, and this slope variations causes some impact on the ride quality. And depth of rut. Okay, rut we already discussed in the last video that rutting is some form of depression that is occurs due to heavy wheel load on the surface, and this extent of rutting due to repeated wheel loads affect the pavement serviceability. Okay, and next, cracking and patching. This cracks and patches reduces the area. The riding surface area is reduced and pavement integrity is affected, and also ride comfort is also gets affected due to cracking and patching. Okay, next one is surface roughness. Roughness index measures how bumpy or smooth the road feels. And if a road is too rough, drivers and passengers will notice it, right? And making the ride uncomfortable. And the surface distress levels, okay, and the surface distress levels can be measured using surface distress index, and it tracks the problems like potholes, crack from heavy loads, and raveling. Raveling means when the top layer starts breaking apart. Okay, next, the traffic load and volume. If more vehicles uses the road, especially heavy trucks, the faster it gets worn due to heavy wheel load, and it becomes harder to drive on that road. Okay, and next is environmental conditions. Okay, extreme temperatures, rain, and freeze and thaw cycles can weaken the road. Okay, and water seeps into the cracks, and freezing can cause pavement to break apart. Next is material properties. The strength of a road depends how well the asphalt is mixed, how strong the base layer are, how stable the ground underneath is, and so on. Okay, and these are the factors that affects the present serviceability index of a pavement. Okay, clear? Next question. The size of coarsest particle of a coarse-grained soil is 4.75 mm. Find, as per Fuller and Thomson, the percentage finer corresponding to size of 2 mm for ideal gradation. The Fuller-Thomson equation for ideal gradation is P is equal to small d divided by capital D, the whole raised to n into 100. P is the percentage finer. And small d is the particle size for which percentage finer is to be found. Here in the question, the small d value is 2 mm. And capital D is the size of coarsest particle. And in our question it is given as 4.75 mm. And n is the Fuller's exponent. And it is typically taken as 0.5 for ideal gradation. And we can find out the percentage finer by using this equation 2 divided by 4.75. The small d by capital D, the whole raised to n is 0.5 into 100. And if you calculate, you will get 0.421. 2 by 4.75, 0.421, 0.421, the whole raised to 0.5 into 100. And that is 0.649 into 100. That is 64.9%. Thus, the percentage finer corresponding to 2 mm particle size for an ideal gradation is 64.9%. Okay, clear?